Hi guys, it's me, Natalie. Yes, I'm that girl in that video. I've been waking up at 5 a.m. for the past week. Except now I'm going to sleep at 5 a.m. and I'm waking up at 2 a.m. Thumbs up if this is you and your whole sleep schedule is messed up. I did this video for you guys, but truthfully more so for myself. I needed this video. Today I'm going to be showing you some scientifically proven ways to help you fall asleep earlier and actionable ways that will make sleeping a consistent habit for you. Yeah, I need sleep right now. I'm really curious, comment below what time you've been typically sleeping at, and it's not to poke fun of you. No. I just want you to see that you are not alone. I too have been sleeping very late, very late. By the way, I'm gonna be doing a sleep kit giveaway in this video, so stick to the end to see how to enter. And there is a free downloadable worksheet down below. It's a whole sleep checklist. Amazing, just little ways to help you fall asleep. It's downloadable. You can do it on your phone. You can do it virtually, or you can just print it out, whatever you like. And be sure to tag me on Instagram and Twitter so that I can see your amazing posts and share them. All right, let's get on into the Z's. Let's go. If you're having trouble falling asleep, one sleep hack that's scientifically proven to help you is to increase the amount of light exposure during the day. Now, this strange sleep hack allows you to help train your circadian clock to understand when it is day and when it is night. Now, what is circadian clock? Your internal circadian clock promotes sleep daily at night. Think of this like a 24-hour internal clock that lets your body know when it's time to sleep or wake up. If you're in a dark room or house all day, our bodies will have a tough time distinguishing when it is time to sleep. Now, our retinas are directly connected to the part of our brain that releases hormones that control sleep and awaken hormones. So getting more light during the day can decrease the amount of time it takes to sleep by 83%. Oh my god, the city is so loud. Oh my god, Relaxation, help me cover this noise. Now, you may not realize it, but your sleeping environment can play a huge role into how quickly you fall asleep. For noisy cities, try getting some noise-canceling headphones. These are Sony's and I love them. Now, you can either choose the noise-canceling feature, or you can even play some white noise, which has been shown to help ease symptoms of anxiety. You can even use it to meditate as well. By masking sounds that might interrupt your sleep, white noise protects your peaceful Z's. Now, temperature can also play a huge role. It's proven that people sleep best at temperatures between 62 and 70 degrees. Make sure you stay cozy. A weird sleep hack is to invest in a mattress that has a cooling feature. This will allow your body to not get overly stuffy throughout the night, waking you up in discomfort. So if you can't afford this, try looking into a pillow that contains cooling gels just like this one. It will give you that same cooling sensation for way less money. Also, be cautious of any repetitive sounds in the house that can also cause distractions, like leaky faucets or beeping and vibrating of a phone. Now, blackout curtains block out all the light that may come in from the bedroom windows and can even sometimes block out the exterior sound from traffic. We actually have some of these back home in Orlando and they are the best thing in my life. Kind of wish I had these here now, today, because LA is so noisy. If you're still feeling awake, let's work backwards. Did you know that consuming caffeine can block your adenosine receptors for 6 to 8 hours? Adenosine is a hormone that lowers your state of being awake and should drop during this time that you are about to sleep. So during sleep deprivation, adenosine levels get higher, and because of that, you will feel tired. Now, coffee inhibits adenosine, so instead try avoiding caffeinated drinks after 4 p.m. in order to get to bed with normal body regulation. Now, if you still want that nice warm beverage, try a tea or coffee that's decaffeinated to fulfill that craving. This one is my favorite. Oh my god, I love it so much. Every time that I drink it, I just feel like I'm at home, which always relaxes me and puts me nice into sleep. If you've never heard of melatonin supplements, they are a super popular sleep aid. Now, fun fact, melatonin is actually the key hormone that basically tells your brain when it's time to sleep. The recommended dosage for melatonin is between 1 to 5 milligrams 30 to 60 minutes before bed. And always be sure to consult with a doctor prior and start with a low dose to see how it might affect you prior to increasing dosages. Did you know that one nap throughout the day can actually increase your sleep at night? Studies have shown that naps are healthy and can energize some individuals to get even more work done. But keep in mind to minimize your daily naps to only 30 minutes. Now, if you go over those 30 minutes, it can actually do the opposite and throw your circadian clock out of whack. If you're finding it tough to fall asleep, I bet you may also be experiencing difficulties with waking up. So as you can see here, I have too many alarm clocks. Really not good for me, as you can see. Irregular sleep patterns can affect melatonin levels and put you in a loop of a really poor sleep schedule. Our bodies align themselves with sunset and sunrise. So if you are being consistent with sleep and waking times, it can actually help increase your quality of sleep over time. Check out this free downloadable sleep blog that I created to help you get a more restful sleep. It's linked down below in the description. Comment below if you get the munchies and extra hungry at night. Trust me, I feel you. It's not that it's a necessarily bad thing to eat a snack at night, just avoid low quality greasy meals that can impair the quality of sleep by stopping the release of HGH, which helps prepare your body during the night. Studies have actually shown that high carb meals eaten around 4 hours prior to sleeping can actually lead to higher quality sleep. So get in those good omegas. If you have a lot of upper body tension or back problems, you'll notice it may be a lot tougher for you to get restful sleep. Determine what factors into this. So for the longest time, I was sleeping on a wired bed, which is so bad for your back. And after many years of restless nights, I finally replaced it and invested in it, okay? Bedding actually needs to be replaced every 5 to 8 years, according to recent studies. Now, the better your mattress is, the better your sleep is, and the less body aches and pains you will experience. So if you can, always remember to invest in your health. So here's a really cool sleep gadget that I want to test out for you guys. This clock gadget has over 20,000 reviews on Amazon, and the reviews are what shocked me, okay? It's an alarm clock that's so loud, it can wake up the dead. People also write that my neighbors hate me for this and that my kids will never be late to school again. So I'm really excited to try this one out, so keep an eye out for a sleep gadget video coming very, very soon. If you struggle with not feeling tired at night, exercise has been shown to help reduce problems with insomnia and can actually increase your daily sleep by around 45 minutes. Now, do be cautious not to exercise too late, as this can increase your adrenaline and epinephrine levels, resulting in lack of sleep. Ideally, workouts in the morning or afternoon are more recommended. Studies have shown that late night baths around 2 hours prior to going to bed can ease stress and promote mental relaxation. So clearing your mind with meditation and relaxing music can help ease deep stresses and allows for more profound states of REM sleep. If you guys are interested in these worksheets to help you reduce stress and just help you talk to yourself a little bit more, these are awesome. I highly recommend you to download. They're completely free. You can check them out down below. And for more sleep hack videos, check out my entire sleeping playlist down below. And also for waking up videos, check out that playlist in the description next to the like button. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to check out my last video for some very cool hair hacks, just like this one right over here. You can find it in the description next to the like button. Also, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Deepika for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Sending you virtual kisses and hugs. If you'd like a shout out in my next video, be sure that you're part of the family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that little bell on. And if you're here within the first 30 minutes that every video goes live, you can comment below hashtag notification squad and I will be picking one of you in the first 30 minutes. If you haven't already, be sure to download the sleep self-care checklist, which is now linked down below, completely free for you to use. Subscribe to my second channel where I show you more about my crazy life. It ain't that crazy, people. I love connecting with you guys on there. I love you guys so much. This week has been a little bit rough for me. If you know, you know. We've been on Instagram, but it's all good in the hood. And I just want to say that I love you. I appreciate you. Every time that I come on this channel, it's literally a creative escape, and I appreciate just like all the love that you guys have been giving me recently. So thank you so much. And I love ya. I send you lots of love and light, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. For the giveaway. Hi, you made it. I'm gonna be giving away a $50 Amazon gift card. All you have to do is be sure that you retweet this over on my Twitter. And that is all, people. I will be picking a winner within the first 48 hours. I'll see you then. Bye. Just a little reminder that I have a vlog channel. If you're not already subscribed, we'd love to have you over there. Currently, with everything happening in the world, we're doing a bunch of at-home vlogs. So if you're into that, I will link the channel down below.